Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's time for one last treasure hunt of the summer. I've got this last batch of sweet potatoes that I need to dig, and these are the ones that I grew from slips. So there might actually be something under there. This isn't going to take a long time because it's already starting to get hot out here. In fact, they're already starting to droop a little bit. But I'm going to get in here and see what I can find. Not sure where to start, but I need to start by getting these vines out of the way. Let's see, I think I planted about 10 or 12 slips in here originally. Somewhere in that neighborhood. I've been trying to keep them in the bed, and they keep trying to get away from the bed. Kind of nice. I don't see any whiteflies this year. I think it's just been too hot and dry for the whiteflies. Normally they would be all over these plants. But not this year. I guess that's one of the benefits of having the heat move in so fast. I just wish it had brought some more rains with it. And let's see, might as well get this leaf mulch off of here. Uh-oh. Look at that. I'm not going to get skunked. Little teeny tiny things, but and some of them have got some bug damage. But that's already better than I got out of the ones I grew from seed. There's another one. A little bit of bug damage, but I'll be able to get something out of that. Whew, and it's already getting hot. Let's get down in here and see what we can find. Yep, they're not real big, but there are quite a few of them. And in support of the sweet potatoes, it's been awful dry this year. Hot and dry, came in early, and I honestly have not been able to keep up with watering as much as I should. Yeah, some of those are pretty good. I'll get some sweet potato fries at least. Yep, that's not bad. Uh-oh, that one was starting to grow a slip. May have waited just a little bit too long on that guy. Now let's go and do a little bit of treasure hunting. Man, that ground is bone dry. Now, it may look like I'm not digging down very deep, but remember, I filled these beds with pieces of oak tree before I put the soil in. And I'm making sure that the support goes all the way down to the oak trees. Okay, I think that is it. Looks like all the tubers were right in the top 6 to 8 inches of soil. I have to top this off a little bit, add more amendments, and then figure out what I'm going to put in here for the fall. That's a lot better looking bucket than what I got out of the seeds. I can't complain about that at all. Oh, and I'm already starting to drip, so let me wind this up. We'll just make this short and sweet. Quick little treasure hunt that produced some treasures. Yep, I'll get some French fries out of these. I guess that's the biggest one, but it's got a little bit of bug damage. I imagine I can work around that. But yeah, I can't complain about that. Okay, folks, I'll see you next time.